You gated that car for me back in the summer, and
do you love it? Hey guys, welcome back. No, I am not Art. I am actually our camera guy. I'm the guy behind the camera, and I'm the one that films Art and all the things. And well, Art's not here right now. Him and the boys are actually back at the shop, finishing up some projects. We have some really cool videos coming up. I know it's been a long time, and I'm so sorry. We're so sorry about it, but things just with Christmas break and all the things. We've been really busy, but we're back and we're gonna start having regular videos again. I know everybody's been wondering what's going on with the manual Supra, and we've done some things to it. She looks completely different. If you've been following us on our Instagram, you've already seen it. We did post a story on our YouTube too, showing what it looks like now. So, but if you haven't seen it, this video is going to be great. We're going to go look at it. We're going to go do all the things. But right now, I'm at the Philadelphia Auto Show in Philadelphia, and it's a big deal. There's a lot of cool cars here, but Roselux Motors, they hooked us up with a spot in their booth, and it's been a big hit. Everybody loves it. If I talk to you at the show, leave a comment, say what's up. Of course, we'll always say what's up back. But this is really awkward for me, so because I like to stay behind the camera. I never like to be in front of the camera. But I guess I'll make it work this time for your viewing pleasure. Plus, we need to come back anyways. But before I go show you some really cool things, first of all, I need to go ahead and run down the list of sponsors that helped us, because we would not be here without them, and that's just 100% fact. And so always got to show love to the sponsors. So to our sponsors, GopherTrans.com, Machines of Mayhem, Roselux Motors, Bay Image, Exo Luxury, Sussex Autos, Hydra Test, and AVD Performance. We highly appreciate you guys. We thank you guys so much. It means the world to us that you guys partnered up with us and made the world's only manual Supra happen. And of course the new look and the new wheels that it has right now, and I'm about to go show you. So I'm gonna take my place behind the camera because that's where I belong for sure. But I'm gonna show you some really cool things. So let's go. All right, now I'm a lot more comfortable. Here, let's show you what's going on. There it is. So here we are. We're with Darren, the owner of Roselux Motors and the founder of Machines of Mayhem. And the Supra is set up in their booth. They're the ones that helped us get us here. They're the ones that helped us with the sponsors and the nice cool wrap on the thing. So how are you? You doing well?
What's up, Merrick? My name's Darren. I own Roselux, as you heard. This is our setup here at the Philly Auto Show. Check it out. What we try to do is, with us, we always try to be different. In the custom world, there is a lot of people that kind of, different colors and everything like that, but it all looks the same. So we definitely try to bring a different flavor, something that's going to be long-lasting and not just a trend. Clean and mean is kind of the theme of all the designs with Machines of Mayhem.
Yeah.
And with Roselux Motors, we're car brokers. So whether you want a regular car or you want to be directed into the right buy for an exotic, or maybe you're looking for a classic or anything custom, you don't know what you're doing, give us a call, shoot us an email.
They got you. They've got the hookup.
Yeah.
For sure.
For sure. So we'll find you what we need, and at the end of the day, we'll do our due diligence to make sure that that thing's not a piece of shit.
Yeah. You want to talk about some of the cars that are in the booth?
Yeah.
I mean,
so everything we have is rare here today. So this is one of 6 prior design wide body Lamborghini Huracan LP610 4s. We got a 1016 carbon fiber hood on it. We have Novatec adjustable springs on it, 2B exhaust, and a DME Stage 2 tune on it. We have Brixton 3-piece Forged wheels on this car as well. Second thing we have here, which is great, we're also debuting, is 720S with a lot of McLaren MSO product. Shout out to McLaren Philadelphia for the hookup with the MSO product. With the debut of this car, though, we're bringing out the very, very first set of Anarchy S3 X3 wheels, 3-piece wheels that were launched at SEMA. Guy Atherton, the owner of Anarchy, was kind enough to get us the first set. We had these wheels shipped directly to us, and he didn't even get to see them before we do, so that's really awesome. So people are getting a big treat when they come see the stuff that we have here. I don't want to just come to a show and have what everybody else has. I want to come to a show and give people an experience, make them fall in love with this industry like I did when I was a kid, and move forward. So with that, though, talking about me being older, that's why we kind of came along with you guys with the conversions. You guys did my 430 Ferrari, 2007 60th anniversary. You gated that car for me back in the summer, and
do you love it?
I fell in love with it. It absolutely makes the car. It's the best thing. Anybody asks me, you're happy with it? I can't say enough. It just takes a really, really cool car and takes it to a whole nother level.
Yeah. Okay, so that does it for our booth. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We got all the cool cars. We love it. But we're at the Philadelphia Auto Show, and there's tons of cars here. Let's go look at some cool ones, yeah? So immediately right outside our booth we're surrounded by big, tall trucks. But immediately right around the corner is this. And this just hits us right in the feels, yeah? Right there, nice little tribute to Kobe. Yep, rip. But this wrap and build is really sick. It's a nice tribute. So the car that Darren was talking about earlier is this car. This is his car, and of course we convert Ferraris from. We take away the flappy paddles and give it a gated 6-speed, and this is it. Right there it is. If you can see it. Hold on, focus right there. Yeah, there it is. He loves it. This car is also on display here at the Philly Auto Show, and people love it. It's fantastic. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here we are. We're on the main floor of the Philadelphia Auto Show, where you have all your manufacturers like Porsche, and you got Buick back there, and there's Maserati and Acura. I wish I could sit here and show you every car in here, but if I did that, we would have a 5-hour vlog. But instead, I'm going to show you the really cool supercars that I've barely even seen before. So, and they're on here display, and they've got a very special car that was only revealed here, and let's go take a look. Okay, so right away we have the Koenigsegg Agera. I've never seen one of these before, and I'm really loving the color. This thing is super dope. This car goes 277 miles per hour with 1,341 horsepower. This thing is absolutely insane. What if we had the Supra that fast? But move on, there's so many cool cars here. Another fantastic car I know you saw in the background of the Koenigsegg is this Bugatti Veyron. This is the one with the 1,001 horsepower, top speed of 253 miles an hour with the 8-liter W16. This thing is absolutely clean. I love the all white. This is also another car I've never seen before, so this is awesome. And of course, here we have the new Bugatti Chiron, the most powerful and fastest production sports car right now, 270 miles an hour, although I do believe that they hit 300, but I think there's some speculation about that. But it's still, though, 1,479 horsepower. This thing is absolutely insane with a 0 to 60 of 2.4 seconds. Honorable mention for sure, the Ford GT. It's 647 horsepower out of a 3.5 liter V6. That's absolutely insane. The engines are getting smaller and the power is just getting more and more. But this car, still a Ford though. And here we go with the legendary Ferrari F40. This is the car that every kid had on their wall. That and the Lamborghini Countach, of course. But this right here brings so many memories back, just from growing up, because this was the car that everybody idolized, and it still looks sharp and it still holds up today. fantastic car. Oh, don't forget the Bugatti over there. Can't forget that one. The black on black is absolutely sick. But this is the Bugatti Veyron SG. This one has 1,001 horsepower as well. And at last, but certainly not least, we have the very new, unveiled only here at the Philadelphia Auto Show, the Tuatara. It's rated for over 300 miles an hour, but they haven't done the run yet. So they claim that they can do 300 miles an hour in this thing. The car has over 1,750 horsepower out of a 5.9 liter V8. The 0 to 60 in this thing is 2.5 seconds. This thing is absolutely a beast. And if you look at it, look how aero it looks. The air's just going to go right over that. This thing is very, very awesome. I can't wait to see what this thing does. I hope it reaches over 300 horsepower, especially from an American company. That would be really cool. All right, that about does it. That about does it for us today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yes, it's a little bit different, but we have some really, really cool projects on the way, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the videos. They're fantastic, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, but until then, like and subscribe, stick around. We have so much stuff on the way. Can't wait for you to see it.